How to install Google Home app on Android. Don't need Google Home app anymore. Let's install it from Android in just a few taps. Find the Google Home app icon on your phone. Press and hold the app. A little menu will pop up. Now tap install, confirming by tapping OK or install when your phone asks, and boom, your Google Home will install. We have another choice. Hold the app and from the pop-up menu, tap App Info. From here, you will see install at bottom. Tap it. Confirm by tapping OK, and boom. And boom, the Google Home app is gone. And here's the pro tip. If you think you might use it later, you can always reinstall it anytime from the Google Play Store. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Google Home app from your Android phone. If this helps, smash the like button, drop your question in the comment, and subscribe for more fun and tech tips. Catch you in the next one.